I'll cut this out.
Cut that. Cut that.
So we'll cold start this 1966 Honda P50.
Your head's cut out. You want your head in it?
Do you think it needs to be? Right here. No, just you wanted the bike close up. No one cares.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
So we'll cold start this. 1966 Honda P50 Moped here. I guess we'll first start by proving it's cold. Grab on to this massive header pipe we got here, right?
Yeah.
Can you see my hand in the video, or do I really need to? There we go. Yeah, we got all the way around it. The massive header.
Ice cold.
Ice cold, right? So, all right, so we'll go ahead and cold start this. I'm turning the fuel to on. Might have to lean. I guess I'll have to lean this forward and make sure it's not in the grass. The drive is engaged. See if I can get it to turn here. Turn the choke on. See if I can get it to... It's usually easier to pedal start this thing, but we'll see how it goes. Pushing the decompression lever. There we go. It's pretty quiet. Hopefully the microphone's catching that. Turn the choke off. Simulate if you've taken off riding. Obviously there's no real, I would say there's a real warm up for these things, because the intent is that you just pedal it, start it, and ride. You typically don't start them in stationary. Now, start it back up. Everything, warm it up a minute. Down a bit. She's warming up a little bit. I think she could use a trip around the block. But we set the idle fairly low for when it's warm after, you know, 5-minute trip, so. But runs good, starts up, no smoke or anything like that. Nice run the little bike. Quiet. What do you think? Good enough? Shut off, take her for a spin. You kill it with a decompression release. Right there. Compression release, decompression switch, whatever.